Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our 87 GMC. Blower motor works, fuel gauge works, oil pressure gauge does not work. Radio that goes with it's laying there, may work, may not work. Darn glove box likes to fall down, so that latch needs to be worked on. You know, interior just an old pickup. Blinker to the left works, blinker to the right works. Horn does not work. Wipers work. Switch a little funky probably. Dome light works. Looks like they added something aftermarket there. Runs good. Is an air truck, missing all the air components there. You can see it's got headers on it. There's your lights. 350 fuel injected. It's got the box with heat lines, compressor and brackets. And probably needs an evaporator. I mean a condenser also. Your tail lights work. Has this hitch, wiring, don't know if that works, haven't hooked the trailer up to it. So there you go. Any questions? 605-695-7391.